Hello, and welcome back to our beloved listener. This is the 8-Minute English Podcast series on the Learn English Podcast channel. I'm your host, Nathan, and it's a pleasure to have you with us again. Are you struggling with pronunciation, grammar, or vocabulary? AI has got your back. Imagine having a personal tutor at your fingertips, providing tailored lessons, exercises, and real-time feedback. AI tools can analyze your strengths and weaknesses and adjust the learning material accordingly, ensuring you make progress at your own pace. But AI is not just about studying, it's also about practicing. We'll introduce you to interactive chatbots that can engage in natural conversations, helping you improve your speaking and writing skills in a fun and stress-free environment. So, whether you're a beginner or an advanced learner, this podcast will open your eyes to the incredible potential of AI in language learning. Also, we've prepared a special free PDF for this episode, full of useful tips and vocabulary to help you learn more. Make sure to check it out.
Hey, Daniel, do you have a minute?
Sure, Lily. What's up?
I've been feeling really insecure about my English lately. I know it's not my first language, but I feel like my skills have plateaued, and I'm struggling to improve.
I understand your concern, Lily.
Learning a new language can be challenging, especially when you've reached a certain level.
Exactly. I've tried reading more books and watching English movies.
But I still find it difficult to express myself fluently in certain situations.
Have you considered using AI-powered language learning tools?
AI? I'm not sure I understand.
AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's a technology that can understand and learn, just like humans. With AI, learning becomes more fun and interesting. Yes, and it can help us learn English too. AI is a great tool for learning English. It can help you improve all your skills.
How do they work?
AI can help you listen better. There are special programs that can slow down or speed up the speech. You can listen many times. Also, the AI can make exercises. You can listen and answer questions. It's like a game. AI can help you speak English. You can talk to the computer and it will listen. It can tell you if you are right or wrong. Some programs can even talk back to you. It's like having a friend to practice with.
Wow, that sounds really helpful. I hear that AI can help me read better, right? Like it can find new words for me and explain them. There are also programs that can read the text for us.
Exactly. You can listen and read at the same time. And last but not least, AI can help you write. It can check your grammar and spelling. To be more specific, some programs can even help you write whole sentences or paragraphs. But remember, you need to think and write your own ideas too.
Do you have any specific recommendations?
Yes, I'm thinking about Duolingo. This is a game-like app that makes learning fun. You earn points and unlock new levels as you progress. Babbel focuses on practical language skills, helping you speak confidently in real-life situations.
My friend also told me about HelloTalk. Do you know about it?
Of course. HelloTalk connects you with native speakers for language exchange, allowing you to practice speaking and writing while making new friends. As you can see, AI is a powerful tool for learning English. It can help you improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills. That's amazing.
But I want to talk about how you can use AI chatbots to practice your English conversations.
The AI chatbot is a computer program that can understand and respond to your messages just like a real person. There are many chatbots designed specifically for language learning. One popular chatbot is called Replica. You can download the Replica app on your phone or computer. When you chat with Replica, it will have natural conversations with you in English. It can talk about different topics, ask you questions, and even tell jokes Another option is to use chatbots within messaging apps like Facebook Messenger or WhatsApp. These apps have built-in chatbots that you can start chatting with. Chatting with these AI bots is a safe and fun way to practice your English. You can chat with them as much as you want without feeling shy or nervous.
The best part is that these chatbots can give you feedback on your English. They can point out any mistakes you make and suggest corrections. These chatbots are not real people, but I think they can still be very helpful for practicing and improving your English. Daniel, pronunciation is very important when learning a new language. If you don't pronounce words correctly, it can be hard for others to understand you. Are there any special AI tools that can listen to how I speak and give feedback on my pronunciation?
One example is an app called Elsa Speak. With Elsa Speak, you can practice saying words and sentences out loud. The app will then tell you which sounds or words you pronounced incorrectly.
It's like having a personal pronunciation coach.
Right. The app will show you exactly how to move your mouth and tongue to make the right sounds. Another great AI tool for pronunciation is called Speechling. It works in a similar way, but it also has fun games and exercises to practice your pronunciation. In these games, you might need to repeat words or sentences after the AI voice. The AI will then score how accurate your pronunciation was. Using AI tools like Elsa Speak or Speechling is a really effective way to improve your English pronunciation. You can practice as much as you want, and the AI will give you helpful feedback.
That's perfect for my busy schedule. Thank you so much for the suggestion, Daniel. I'm excited to try out these AI-powered language learning tools.
So, after hearing some stories about AI, let's talk about some key vocabulary related to our topic. First up, practice. To repeat an activity regularly to improve a skill. I practice English every day by reading books and watching movies. Next is feedback. Information about how good or bad something is and how it can be improved. The teacher gave me feedback on my essay and told me how to write better. Pronounce is another verb. To make the sound of a word or letter correctly. It's difficult to pronounce some English words correctly. Let's look at coach, a person who trains and instructs people in a particular skill or activity. The pronunciation coach helped me improve my English speaking skills. Finally, score. To get or achieve a particular number of points or marks. I scored 90% on my English test. Let's delve into two important questions about our topic. The first question is, what is AI and how can it help you learn English? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It is a smart computer program that can understand and learn like humans. AI can help you improve your listening, speaking, reading, and writing skills in English. It can provide personalized lessons, exercises, and feedback to make learning more fun and effective. The second question, what are some examples of AI tools for learning English pronunciation? Elsa Speak is an AI app that listens to you speak and gives feedback on your pronunciation. It shows you how to move your mouth and tongue to make the right sounds. Another AI tool is Speechling, which has pronunciation games and exercises. It scores how accurately you can repeat words and sentences. I'd love to hear your thoughts on these questions. Please leave your comments below and let's discuss. We are finished with today's podcast. Remember, AI is not a replacement for human teachers or traditional ways of learning. We hope you feel excited and want to try using AI to help you learn English. AI is a helpful tool that works together with other learning methods. Use AI because it can make lessons just for you. AI has fun activities you can do and can tell you what you did right or wrong. Doing these things with AI will help you get better at English faster. You will feel more confident speaking English. Have an open mind about using AI. Stay interested and curious about AI. Most importantly, make sure you enjoy learning English with AI. Learning languages with AI is the future, and it is very exciting.